So I've been using this product for a while and I would like to review it today to tell you my experience with it, how it is, everything you need to know about this product, the ingredients, the texture, how it feels on the skin. Do I really like it? Am I going to repurchase it? And am I going to recommend this particular body wash? Hi, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I am Beautiful Jenny. If you're seeing me for the first time, consider subscribing and also like this video, share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you have used the scent Ives exfoliating body wash, pink lemon and mandarin orange body wash. If you have used it before, also let us know your experience in the comment section, because people are reading and your experience is going to help another person to make a better choice of this product. So basically, let's look at the ingredients, because I love to talk about product ingredient, because that is what is going to let you know how that product is going to work for you. So I'm just going to be focusing on the active ingredients, or if that makes sense, like the ingredients that actually benefit your skin and not just the surfactants. Now first it has water, then down here it has walnut shell powder, and then it has lemon peel powder, which is actually good for brightening the skin and also exfoliating the skin. And then it has mandarin orange peel extract, which also comes from the name, so which is also a good extract to have. Then it has lemon fruit extract. The fruit, actually the first time it had lemon peel powder. Okay, so it has two lemon extracts, the lemon peel powder and the lemon fruit extract. Then it has okay, I think those are the 3 or 4 active ingredients that it has. Okay, it has other ingredients here, but these are the ones that are basically popular that you are going to know. So this particular product said it is made with 100% natural exfoliating walnut shell powder, made with 100% natural lemon peel and citrus extract, made with plant-based cleaners, made with no animal derived ingredients. Okay, so this is basically sort of a natural organic kind of vibe. That's why it says here, written here boldly, made with 100% natural exfoliant. So when you look inside of it, I don't know if it's clear enough. When you look inside of it, it has little particles, very tiny little particles in it. Okay, but yeah, it's not something you should be worried about that will maybe stay on your skin when you finish bathing and all of that. No, it doesn't do like that. So this is everything it contains. It is PETA approved and it's basically good. Now let's look at the fragrance. Okay, it has a very subtle orange mandarin fragrance. So it doesn't have an overpowering fragrance. No, this is not that body wash that when you are bathing the whole bathroom will be filled with perfume. No, it doesn't have so much perfume. The perfume is just very subtle and very nice and refreshing. You understand? So for the quantity, it is 650 ml. It is 650 ml. It's not so small, it is not so big. Okay, so that is it. Now for my personal experience about using this particular product is that I like it, and I would say that it is brightening, because ever since I started using it, I'm honestly loving how my skin looks, how my skin feels. And for the texture, like for how it feels on the skin, usually there are some body washes you are going to use, no matter how you rinse your skin in the shower, your skin never feels like you have rinsed it, if that makes sense. You still get this slippery feel on your skin. But I wouldn't say that this gives you that clean skin finish when you finish bathing, but it also doesn't give that super slippery feel. It is in between. Do you understand? When you rinse out your skin thoroughly and you feel your skin isn't going to feel dry. No, dryness is far from this particular body wash. Dryness of skin is far from it. So any skin type can use this particular product, whether you're dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, blah blah blah. You can use this particular product because it's not so slippery and it is also not dry. It is in between. I would say they have a very good formulation here because I really love it. And when it comes to the lathering, it lathers very well. Like this quantity I put on my sponge, I can legit bathe my body, scrub my body twice with this particular quantity. Do you understand? So it lathers well, it rinses out easily, and it doesn't leave your skin looking like you did not shower. But if you're still someone that likes to double cleanse when you're using shower gels, then it is totally fine. But honestly, most times, majority of the time, I do not double cleanse while using this. I just use only it and my skin still feels very good. So I think that's everything about this product. Do I love it? I love it. Will I repurchase it? Definitely, I'm going to repurchase this because I love it. I love my skin right now. I love the way it feels on my skin, and I love that it has two lemon essences extracts, and I love that it has two lemon extracts, and I also love that it has basically natural ingredients. Do you understand? Because this year we are doing healthy skin glow. So I am particular now about the products I use. I am particular about the ingredients that they contain. Once a product has natural ingredient, not people that just write it to reputable brand. St. Ives is not a new brand, and it's not a small brand that will come and say what it does not have. Do you understand? So I trust the brand and I know that whatever they wrote here is actually what's in there. So I am happy that it has a lot of natural fruits extracts and powders and all of those, which is basically good for the skin. So it is brightening, it is cleansing, it smells good, your skin feels good without stripping your skin and without also making you feel like you didn't shower well. You understand that vibe? So basically that's it. Let's know your thoughts in the comment section about this particular product. I would really love to hear from you. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Remember, I offer one-on-one skin consultation. If you have any issues with your skin, if you have issues with building the right skincare routine, you need help to arrange your routine, to build your routine, to rearrange your routine, or to help you with any skin issues you are having, hit me up on the contact you are seeing on the screen or in the description box on WhatsApp. Let's have a conversation. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on our next one.